Hello friends! Meet him, my Teddy. Today is his birthday and he's asking me for gifts and cards. But I feel that giving gifts and cards separately is not much unique. So why not I club both of them? So today I'm going to make something which is a gift as well as a card, that is a 3D cake card. This is a full cake with individual slices. So today we will learn how to make this one box. If we make this one box, we can make the rest of the card very easily. So we will learn how to make this box. To make the card box, first we need the measurements of it. If the measurements are wrong, then the card box won't come properly. First we will draw a triangle whose all the three sides are equal. That is 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. Then what we will do is, we will increase the right side of this side 4.5 and the left side 5. And then we will take the measurements from the down line. First take 5.5, draw this line, then 9, draw this line and then a bit slanting line 6.5 and then join these two lines 5. And then join these two also 5, 5. Then we will make this side. First draw, then increase from this 10.5, increase this 2.5 centimeter and then from this side 3 centimeter. Then join these two lines, the measurement will be 5.5 and 5 over here and this side will be 4. Then this box is a proper rectangle, 10.5, 10.5, 4.5 and 4.5. Just remember, measurements are subjective proportions. If you want to make big or small, then change it based on that. Now we will cut these three sides like this, from here and from here. After cutting, our template will look something like this. And then now I will tell you how to make the box. Now we will fold these lines for stability. If we won't fold it properly, then the box won't stand properly. Now after folding these lines, we will fold these three corners. Remember to stick them inside only because it will not look nice if we stick them outside. Now I will teach you how to stick them. Take the glue, this side, then stick this part, this one, like this. Press it properly. Press it nicely, otherwise it will come out. Then the next side. Like this we will stick. Now the next corner. Very nicely we have to stick, otherwise it will come out. Remember this thing. Stick it very nicely. Now our cake box one upper part is ready. Now our card box is ready. Now we will make more 5 boxes to complete the whole cake. Now I will teach you how to decorate this box as this design. So first I will teach you how to make these chocolate drips. For this you need any color chart paper. Any color which matches with your design, with the color. I am taking this color design, so I'll teach you how to cut these. So first, a bit fat, a bit big, any style you can make it. As you have also seen in the cakes how the drips come, if you would have seen, notice, then you can make it very easily. It's very easy, it's nothing. If you feel it is difficult to cut directly, then you can draw on the paper and then also cut. Now I'll tell you how to stick it. Now after cutting, we will stick it like this, all the three sides. Now I will teach you how to decorate it with these thermocol balls. I have taken these colorful thermocol balls. You can take any color thermocol balls also. And if you want to stick more, less. Or if you don't want to stick also, it's okay. I am sticking it a bit far places. So I am sticking it like this. Now our one part is ready. If you want, you can decorate the cake with this also by writing your name. Now we will assemble all these 6 parts on a piece of cardboard to give it a proper look of a cake. After assembling, our cake will look something like this. We will stick it on a piece of cardboard, cover it with any colored paper, and we will decorate it with designer tapes, these gift boxes, yummy toffees. In my next video, I'm going to show how to make these beautiful gift boxes and these yummy toffees. You all would be thinking that where will you write the greetings? So here's your surprise. So what I have done is, I have made the same template but did not stick on the sides. Just kept it like this and stuck it. And you can also keep a small card, see, or if you don't want also you cannot keep it. In this way, our very beautiful 3D greeting card is ready. Hope you liked the video and do comment.